We all know that many people love watching videos. It's the easiest way to consume content. It's fast in conveying a message and naturally engaging. When it comes to earning trust from your targeted audience, video is the best content format to use. The only problem when it comes to making videos or creating new videos is that it's often a complicated process, maybe because of the lack of necessary skills or time. The question now though is, how do you make the process of creating a video less demanding? In this video, I'll be walking you through one of such ways of making the process of creating videos less demanding, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and if you are like me several months ago, you will probably be thinking now that you don't want to get in front of a camera or microphone to make a video. Maybe because you don't like the sound of your voice. Maybe the process of video creation is far too difficult for you or too expensive. Maybe it's simply that you don't even know what to say in your videos. It's true that in the past, creating videos was a little bit difficult and an expensive process, but times have changed. Now with a simple software, you can chunk out videos in their numbers. Now before we dive deep into one of such softwares that will help you solve your problems of making videos that will make you money, I would like to know in the comments area below this video which software you're presently using to create your marketing videos and how is that working out for you. And if this is your first time to this channel and you are interested in making money with the videos you upload on YouTube, make sure to check out my crash course on how to do YouTube affiliate marketing the right way. And don't also forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. It's a fact that people are 4 times more likely to purchase a product or service after watching a video about it. And a video shouldn't take you too long to put together, especially if you're just starting out. You want your videos to contain bit-sized summaries of messages you want to pass across. There are many video editing tools out there that makes it easy to create bit-sized summary types of video. Some of such editing tools have fallen by the wayside and others are still live but not really maintained. ContentSamurai is one of the few that has stood the test of time and gotten even better with time. If you want a simple video creation tool that will give you professional looking videos within minutes, then this tool is for you. The owners of ContentSamurai jokingly call their tool the first intelligent video creator that has done all the hard work for you, and I personally agree with that. And that's simply because ContentSamurai's inbuilt artificial intelligence engine can read the text scripts you type in the tool and create videos based on the words you type in. It does this together with images from a database of over 110 million and now also video clips. The collaboration between ContentSamurai with Storyblock Video have added over 350 video clips into the platform for all its users to use. So if you have been looking for ways to create social media videos, YouTube videos, sales videos, or videos for your online courses, ContentSamurai has you covered. To really make things simple for you to understand the power of ContentSamurai, check out this demo video of ContentSamurai in action.
ContentSamurai is an intelligent web-based video creation system that allows you to produce high-quality content videos, video sales letters, and even viral videos in minutes, completely from scratch and all without you ever having to leave your web browser. Videos like this that are capable of generating millions of views, killer search engine rankings, and torrents of online traffic. Let me show you how it works. If you've ever wanted to create videos before, but didn't know how or where to begin, you're going to love this. Here I am on the home screen. To get started, I'll just click the Create a New Video button. And now here's where the real fun begins. You see, we've broken everything down into 5 super simple steps. The first step is to paste in your video title and your video script. The great news is this script can be just about anything: an article, a blog post, an advertisement, or even a sales letter. For this example, I'll show you how to make a video using a blog post. So I'll just copy and paste the blog post title from my word processor, and then the post itself. The second step is to create the visual component of your video, and this is where the real magic happens. You see, ContentSamurai has already created your visuals. Using advanced textual analysis, ContentSamurai reviewed your article, cut it up into small sections to fit on individual slides, and formatted the text. And ContentSamurai did all this with the single click of a button. All that's left for you to do is review your presentation and make any final adjustments. If you want to change the look and feel of your video, you can select from one of the gorgeous themes we've already designed for you. Want to add some images? No problem. You can come over here to the images section and browse through a massive collection of over 112 million images. And then select the one you like to add it to your slide. Over here, you can highlight keywords, insert a break to split the text across 2 slides, or hide the text entirely to reveal a full screen image. And if you have something specific in mind, you can easily add your own images over here simply by dragging and dropping them into the My Images panel. And if you want to change a slide's layout, just come over here and choose from one of the preset options. No messing around with complicated and expensive software like Adobe Photoshop, Premiere, Soundbooth, Final Cut Pro, or even Keynote or PowerPoint. And when you've finished reviewing your presentation, which should only take a few minutes, it's time to move on to step 3, which is to record your audio. And once again, ContentSamurai makes this a cinch. Here you'll see ContentSamurai has automatically broken your video script into short sentences, allowing you to record the whole thing in little bite-sized chunks. Just hit the record button on the sentence which is currently in focus, and then read the text out loud. Did you know that the average adult spends more than 3 years of their life in the kitchen? Then when you're done, you can stop recording and listen back to it by hitting the play button. When you're happy with it, just click the next button to record the next sentence. But here's the really cool part. You see, to help you fly through this step in record speed, we've carefully designed the entire recording process to work with the click of a single button. Just hit the record button to start recording, then again to stop, and then again to move on to the next sentence. By recording your audio this way, ContentSamurai removes all the friction and makes the whole exercise an absolute joy. You can then simply repeat this process with each sentence until you reach the end, and you'll be all done in a few minutes. And when you're finished, ContentSamurai seamlessly glues your sentences together into a single, clean, and coherent audio track. And it's all handled in your web browser, which means you'll never have to mess around with complicated audio editing software that's full of features you'll never need and is downright confusing to use. Recording a professional sounding audio track has never been so fast and so easy before. You can also add music to your video with the click of a button. All Hollywood movies, TV shows, and advertisements include music because it's the most effective way to ramp up the emotional impact of a video with so little effort. And ContentSamurai makes adding music to your video push button easy. Simply select one of the many free audio tracks included in the system and you're done. And after you've finished with your audio, which should only take a few minutes, you can then come over here to click the preview button to watch your finished video. That's it. That's all there is to it. No editing to do and no complicated codecs, aspect ratios, or file formats to fiddle with. ContentSamurai has analysed your audio tracks and your presentation using advanced text and speech algorithms and synced them all perfectly together. Your video is done. You can simply press the play button to preview the finished video. Did you know that the average adult spends more than 3 years of their life in the kitchen? With so much time spent in this culinary workshop, you'd expect it to function like a well-oiled machine. However, with most kitchens being so poorly optimized, the reality for most people is that preparing a meal can feel more like a tiresome game of Tetris as you juggle pots and pans, appliances, and groceries that ooze from every cupboard. So in this video, we'll show you 5 incredibly simple kitchen hacks you can apply in your house to better use the space you have. And if you ever want to fine-tune your video, you can do that too, because we've also added the ability to adjust the timing of your slides and audio to your liking. Simply click the manually adjust timing button, move the scrubber to a specific point in your video, and drag the handle to adjust where each slide starts and ends. As you can see, ContentSamurai does all the hard work for you in just a few minutes, and with only a few clicks, you can now create engaging content videos, video sales letters, and viral videos with absolutely zero prior video experience. The speed and ease with which you can create amazing videos in ContentSamurai is simply unheard of, and we believe it's going to change the face of digital marketing forever. All that's left for you to do now is to download your video, which is as simple as clicking the Generate button and then download. Your video is now ready to upload to YouTube, Facebook, your website, and any other content site you want, where it can start generating free online traffic to your business.
So, if you value video content and you value your time as well, then you should consider creating more videos by using tools like ContentSamurai, which will help you create professional and highly engaging videos. With all that put together, I hope this video did help provide you with the necessary insight on how to make product review videos. And if you found the video helpful, make sure to hit the like button below this video, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.